Winter is coming, which means now is the perfect time to restore a pool that isn't currently being used. Whether there's calcium buildup on pool tiles or old plaster coatings are starting to flake, the Dustless Blasting machine can be there to make the pool look brand new. Calcium buildup is unavoidable for any pool tile. It's an eyesore and it can be very difficult to get rid of. Luckily, Dustless Blasting makes the job look effortless and can clean up the pool in no time. Most concrete pools have layers of plaster with multiple layers of paint on top. These paint layers will begin to crack and will need to be stripped back down to bare plaster before being repainted. Getting the pool back to the first layer of plaster is a breeze with the Dustless Blaster. Now is the perfect time to contact local apartments and even neighborhoods to see if their pools need cleaning or resurfacing.